Hello, beautiful people. This is your girl Shine. I am back with another video. I hope that everyone is doing great. Your girl is doing well, okay? I have been enjoying this warm weather. I have been cutting up. I do not know how to act, okay? As you guys can see. But anyways, I'm here today to show you guys 3 ways to maintain your locks, or better yet, 3 ways I maintain my locks, just to offer some tips to you all. So if you are already following me, don't forget to like and comment. And if you are a newbie, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and a notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first way that I maintain my locks at night is by simply doing 6 to 8 plaits in my head. Sometimes I'm feeling a little risky. I might do like 10, but for the most part, your girl is lazy. And the beautiful thing is with locks, you don't have to do so many. I get around, I would say, like this size, and I'll plait all the way down. And then, of course, when I can't braid anymore, I'll twist. I just wanted you guys to see kind of like the size I do. So what I usually do is like 3 in this front section. I'll do 1 to 2 here, then 2 here, and 2 there. And that's pretty much like if I want my hair more stretched, or if I just want some kind of curl action in my locks. And then I'll use my bonnet like this, and then I'll go to sleep. Alright, so the second way I like to maintain my locks is by using handy dandy ponytail holders. This is something that I did when I was a loose natural, and I still do now. So this is if I want to maintain the stretch of a braid out, or if I want to keep it kind of in its natural state after I washed it and just have a little stretch to it, because y'all, the shrinkage is real. So what I'll do is kind of like the same thing I did with the plaits. I'll do this and then kind of pull it kind of down to like here and wear it like this, and I'll do as many or as few as I want to do, just depends on my mood. And it's basically just having mini pineapples. Instead of just one, I'm having multiple little ponytails throughout my hair. And then of course, the handy dandy bonnet.
What?
The handy dandy bonnet, y'all, not bunded. I don't know what bunded is. If y'all know, let me know, because I don't know. Last but not least, y'all, and you guessed it, the handy dandy bonnet, okay? This is when your girl don't feel like doing nothing. And I must admit, the last 2 weeks, your girl has not been twisting, braiding, doing anything. I've been letting her kind of do her own thing. I washed my hair, and whatever curl pattern you see is what it is. And I do this right here. Okay? This slick look good, though. I kind of look good. I don't know if it's the makeup that made me feel like I could rock this, but I could rock this with my hoops and look fine as hell. But I don't know. I think it's just the makeup, because my mama didn't raise me to go to the gas station with my hair like this. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so that is going to conclude the video. Y'all now know the 3 ways I maintain my locks at night. It's pretty simple, and even when I use braids, it literally takes me 5 to 10 minutes. Like, this is amazing. I don't really have to do much to my hair at all, and it looks fabulous. I rarely have a bad hair day, and usually if I am, it just needs some handy dandy moisture. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the video and what content you would like to see from me next. Thank you for watching, and until next time.